Does comprehensive insurance cover pothole damage? Have you ever hit a pothole and wondered if your insurance would cover the damage? It's a common concern for many drivers. Let's break it down together. Comprehensive insurance does not cover damage caused by potholes. This type of insurance protects your vehicle from non-collision-related incidents like theft, vandalism, fire, natural disasters, and animal strikes. However, pothole damage falls under collision-related incidents, which means you need a different type of coverage. To cover damage from hitting a pothole, you will need collision coverage. Collision insurance pays for repairs when your car is damaged by hitting an object or another vehicle, including potholes. This coverage can help with repairs to tires, rims, suspension, alignment, and steering components that potholes might damage. Keep in mind that this is subject to your deductible. If you only have liability coverage, which covers damage or injuries you cause to others, pothole damage to your own vehicle will not be covered. However, if hitting a pothole causes you to collide with another vehicle or pedestrian, your liability coverage would help cover their injuries or property damage. Here are some practical points to consider. If your vehicle is paid off, collision coverage is optional but highly recommended, especially if you frequently drive on roads with potholes. Filing a claim for pothole damage under collision coverage will require you to pay a deductible, which can range from $100 to $2,000. If you have custom rims or specialized parts, you might need additional coverage, as not all collision policies cover them. Even minor pothole damage to tires or alignment should be inspected by a mechanic to determine if filing a claim is worthwhile. In summary, comprehensive insurance does not cover pothole damage. Collision insurance is the appropriate coverage for such repairs. Liability coverage only applies if the pothole causes damage or injury to others. It is essential to review your auto insurance policy to confirm you have collision coverage if you want protection against pothole-related damage.